Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to put money on DoorDash Crimson Card. To add funds to your DoorDash Crimson Card, you can use cash at MoneyPass deposit-enabled ATMs or participating Visa ReadyLink locations. You can also use third-party services like some retailer cashback options or online payment platforms to add money to your linked account. Alternatively, you can add cash and then transfer it to a linked digital wallet like Apple Wallet or Google Wallet to make purchases, or to a Cash App like Cash App to transfer to another bank account. Using ATMs and retail locations for cash deposits. Find a location. Search online for MoneyPass ATM or Visa Ready Link locations to find a participating location. Deposit cash. Present your DoorDash Crimson Card and cash at ATM or participating retail locations. Confirm deposit. Funds will be transferred to your account, though they may not be FDIC insured until received. Using digital wallets and apps. Add to wallet. Open your Dasher app, go to the Earnings tab, and then tap View Card Details to add your virtual Crimson card to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Pay with Wallet. Use the Wallet app for a tap to pay at participating outlets. Use third party apps. You can also transfer funds to other apps, such as Cash App, by linking your Crimson card as a bank account, adding money to the app, and then withdrawing it into your primary debit card. Important notes: your Crimson card is linked to your Dash earnings and can be funded that way automatically. Some third party services for cash deposits are provided by other companies, and DoorDash is not responsible for issues with those services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.